Chapter 7, Calendar and Branch. In this chapter, you learn how to add new and edit calendar, set holidays and rest days, set replacement holidays, set special holidays, define working hours per day and monthly working days, add and edit new branch, and last one, assign calendar and branch to employees. So before we start with task 7.1, you need to read through the table of the information that we provide to you for the chapter 7. Okay, after you done read, now we proceed with task 7.1. To do task 7.1, to edit the default calendar, first you have to go to Tools. Okay, and after that you have to go to General Maintenance. After that, you need to go to the calendar. So you need to find the calendar and click on the calendar. So the first instruction says that you need to edit the default calendar. So by right, you already have one default calendar here. So you need to edit. To edit, you need to click on the icon there. And then what you need to edit, the code is already default. Description is default calendar. Is it a main calendar? Yes. And year, Y means current year, 2020. So the second instruction says that you need to go to set the holidays, which is this one. So to set the holidays, you need to tick on the following holidays for current year, then click on apply. It means that in all holidays that we have here, you need to tick one by one. For example, starting from New Year's Day until Christmas Day. So you just tick one by one. After you then tick all the holidays, you need to click on the apply here. So when you click on apply, you can see all the holidays will appear in your calendar at the bottom. Okay, so the next instruction will be the rest day. So the rest day, on your right side here, you need to set every Saturday and Sunday as a rest day, then click on apply. So it means this one, month, every month. Weekday, Saturday, day type is full day. And then you tick this one every month. Weekday is Sunday. For the rest day, this one full day. Then you tick. So after you done this, you click on apply. So when you click on apply, it will say that there is a result conflict. Result conflict means when there is a conflict between rest day and holiday, okay, which is conflict with the same date falls on the same day. So either rest day or holiday, always choose holiday. Okay, so when you choose holiday, so what you need to do is you need to tick on save for the result conflict. Okay, so for the next one is you need to set on the next instruction, you need to set the replacement holidays. So here what you need to do is you need to go through on each calendar month and look into rest day. For each holiday overlap with rest day, the next day you need to set it as replacement. For example, we go through the first month, January 4th and 5th is rest day. So this one, Saturday and Sunday is a rest day, but Sunday will fall into the replacement on Monday, okay, which is Chinese New Year replacement. Okay, that is for the January. February 8, okay, on 8 on Saturday, okay, some of the company they actually got the replacement when the holiday falls on Saturday, but certain company don't have, so it depends on your company. Okay, so the next month, March, don't have. April also don't have. May, you can see that Friday is a Labor Day, and then 3rd is a Labor Day replacement for Johor and Kedah only. Okay, so this one is not considered in Selangor, only for Johor, and then this one also Al-Quran replacement. Okay, so then yes, this one is replacement. So for 3rd we don't have any replacement on Monday, okay, because it falls on the because on the Labor Day we falls on Friday, so it's replacement for Johor and Kedah. So that this is for June, don't have. July don't have also. August don't have. 31st Monday don't have. October go through. November also don't have. December also don't have. Okay, so that is for the replacement holidays. The last instruction is month information. So you need to confirm the month information and select apply to all months. So where to get the month information? You can choose any month. For example, I choose on January. I click on the January here. So when I click on the right click on the January, you can see the month information. So you click on that. So you can see the first half days is 15 and the working hours per day is 8. So this one you need to use the specific working days in month, which is 26. Okay, you can actually use auto calculated working days in month as well. So depends on you. In your company policy whether you use the specific working days or specific auto calculate. So if let's say it applicable to all months, so you have to click on the apply to all. Okay, because every month we will be using the specific working days in a month, which is 26. So after you're done, you click on save. Okay, so when you done all the setting here, the last step is to click on the save button here, because if you don't click on save button, then everything just now will be gone. So click on save and then you can see the default calendar in your calendar listing. So calendar default updated successfully.